social media personality VeryDarkMan was arraigned on Friday at Court 1, Chief Magistrate Court, Wuse Zone 6, FCT Abuja, for allegedly impersonating a policeman. The blogger was granted 2 million naira bail in the ruling of the court in charge number CR/510/2024, Commissioner of Police vs. Vincent Martins Otise, aka VeryDarkMan. The bail conditions include the provision of 2 sureties in their like terms, and sureties are to deposit their passports with the court. The sureties must reside within the court's jurisdiction, particularly Abuja, and will also provide their utility bills. Recall that NaijaNews TV reports his arrest and detention by Nigerian police force regarding unauthorized use of police uniforms. The controversy stems from a recent video where VeryDarkMan appeared wearing a police uniform, introducing himself as the Chief Superintendent of Police of the online division. This action prompted an immediate investigation by law enforcement to determine how he obtained the uniform. The court also ruled that VeryDarkMan would pose to an affidavit that he will be available at all times during the trial. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news stories.